Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our English House Academy class at Ali English House Academy, managed by Jamia Sayyid Anas Malik and powered by Ali Public School and Ali PU College, Tumkur. So, as usual, we'll start with the Qiraat. So today, who is going to recite Qiraat? Afan? Or what's his name? Ayan? Yes, come. After the Qiraat, we'll continue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wadduha wal-laili idza saja. Ma wadda'aka rabbuka wa ma qala walal akhiratu khairul laka minal ula wala sawfa yu'tika rabbuka fatarda alam yajidka yatiman fa'awa wa wajadaka ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. Shadaqallahul azim. Jazakallah khair.
MashaAllah, that's a beautiful Qiraat. So let's continue with the class. Yesterday we did not have a class. Day before yesterday, I gave some topic for you to learn. So anyone is ready with the speech? Anyone wants to start with the speech? Okay, maybe we can recap once. After that we can continue. Okay, so can you go to next slide? So here we have only the opening lines. Go to next slide again. Okay, next. Skip another 3-4 slides. Next. Okay, so we'll go back to the first slide. So here, not this first slide. Press backspace. Backspace or up arrow also. Yeah. Opening lines. So all of you can repeat after me. Before that, what I would like to say is that I would like to appreciate and congratulate for you all, for the presence of you all. Many people, they could not turn up today. What may be their excuse? It is raining. That is one excuse. One more excuse can be what? Today we are fasting. Correct? And what other excuse? I had some work, personal work. That's how we say the excuse. वैसे सब excuse बोलते हैं. Actually जितने भी ये achieved people हैं, successful लोग हैं, उनका एक ही कैरेक्टर है जो उनको आम आदमियों से अलग करता है. So what differentiates the successful people from the people who are not successful is just one point. वो लोग excuse नहीं देते. हमारे आधे जिंदगी excuse नहीं. आज क्लास को नहीं गया क्योंकि बारिश आ रहा था, मैं थक गया था और घर में कुछ काम था, मेरे रिलेटिव्स आए थे, गेस्ट आए थे घर में, है ना, वो सब भी excuse. So the first and foremost thing, if you want to be successful in life, is you want to have discipline. Discipline मतलब no excuse. You know, Usain Bolt, we just see like, whoa, what a lucky person is. कितना lucky है, कितने सिर्फ 10 सेकंड 12 सेकंड भागे हैं, उनको मिलियंस में बिलियंस में पैसा मिले। क्या आप लोग ये भी सोचते हैं कि कितने सालों का मेहनत है इसके पीछे? एक ओलंपिक्स के लिए 4 साल का गैप है, लगातार 4 साल एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। If there is rainy, if it is sunny, if he is tired, if he is feeling good, if he is not feeling good, every day he keeps practicing. ये एक ही सिफत है सक्सेसफुल और नॉट सक्सेसफुल। हमें जनरली जब लोग बोलते हैं मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, कुछ मदद करो, तो हमें अपना सिंपैथी आ जाता है। क्या बोलते हैं? रहम। एक्चुअली असल मकसद जो सक्सेसफुल, जो कामयाब, जो पैसे वाले हैं या जिनके पास इल्म है, जो दूसरे के पास नहीं है, इतना ही फर्क है कि ये लोग मेहनत किए। अगर कोई अपना सैड स्टोरी बोल रहा है मेरे पास ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, इसका मतलब है ये लेजीनेस। शायद 100 में 1% ऐसे रहेंगे मेहनत के बावजूद भी उनको नहीं मिला। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम if you say someone is saying like I don't have this, I don't have that, it means that they are not putting efforts. Okay, fine. So again, opening lines, backspace. So I will say this, you can all repeat after me. Okay, this one, leave it. So you all can repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
Very good evening to everyone.
My dear brothers and sisters,
My dear brothers and sisters,
how are you all doing today?
how are you all doing today?
That's really wonderful.
That's really wonderful.
I would like to thank
I would like to thank
Ali English House Academy
Ali English House Academy
for giving me an opportunity
for giving me an
to
opportunity
develop my personality.
to develop my personality.
Today I am going to say
Today I am going to say
a quote from
a quote from
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
इसके बाद तुम्हें कोट बोलेंगे, ओके? उसके बाद ये है एंडिंग लाइन। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी पेशेंटली, हैव अ नाइस डे। ओके, तो हमें 2 कोट्स लिखेंगे। गो टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। ये कोट भी आप लिख लीजिएगा। सो देयर इज a quote from Mahatma Gandhi. There is one more. Press enter. So the first quote from Mahatma Gandhi, we will read it once more. Enter. Live as if, you can repeat after me. Live as if
Live as if
you were to die
you were to die
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Learn as if
Learn as if
you were to live
you were to live
forever.
forever.
Live as if
Live as if
you were to die tomorrow.
you were to die tomorrow.
Learn as if
Learn as if
you were to live forever.
you were to live forever.
So this is a quote from whom?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. What is the meaning of this? So to say in Urdu, it's like तुम्हें ऐसा जियो कि तुम्हें सुबह कल मरने वाले हो। और जब सीखने की बात आते हैं, learn as if you were to live forever. ऐसा सीखो कि तुम्हें कभी भी जिंदा रहोगे। Okay, so this is one quote from Mahatma Gandhi. So in the general speech, you may not be able to say hadith or Quran ayat, correct? In such a case, you can say the quotes from any of the great people. Okay, one more speech, one more quote. It is from Ratan Tata. You can repeat after me. Okay, none can destroy iron.
None can destroy iron.
None can destroy
None can destroy
iron,
iron.
but its own
But its own
rust can.
rust can.
None can destroy iron,
None can destroy iron.
but its own
But its own
rust can.
rust can.
Likewise,
Likewise,
none can destroy a person.
none can destroy a person.
None can destroy a person,
None can destroy a person.
but his own
But his own
mindset can.
mindset can.
Do you understand the meaning of it? Ratan Tata, who Ratan Tata is a big industrialist. So what is the main business of Tata? iron and steels, right? So he says none can destroy iron. Iron को मतलब क्या उर्दू वर्ड है, लोहा को कोई डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकते, तोड़ नहीं सकते, एक्सेप्ट इट्स ओन रस्ट. रस्ट बोले तो रस्ट को क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में? जंक. तो एक लोहे को कोई डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकते. क्या डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है? जंक. ऐसे ही लाइकवाइज का मतलब इन द सेम वे. ओके, नन कैन डिस्ट्रॉय अ पर्सन. एक आदमी को भी, एक पर्सनालिटी को भी, एक शख्सियत को भी कोई डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकते. सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनका माइंडसेट डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. समझ गए? ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ कोट्स यू कैन से इट इन शॉर्ट स्पीच. अगर स्पीच शॉर्ट है तो भी उसमें मतलब रहना चाहिए. बिकॉज यू आर द वन पर्सन स्पीकिंग हियर, बट हाउ मेनी आर लिसनिंग टू यू? दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो इफ आई एम वेस्टिंग 1 minute here, so almost there are 20 people here. 20 लोगों के 20 मिनट वेस्ट हो गया अगर मैं 1 मिनट वेस्ट किया तो भी. करेक्ट? ओके, सो वी विल गो बैक टू द प्रीवियस स्लाइड. नहीं, backspace, not this, before this. Again. Okay, leave it here. So whoever has learned the speech of yesterday, they can come and say. Either you can say just the speech this much. सिर्फ इतना ही बोल सकते हो. Today I am going to say, or today I am going to say a quote, or you can say today I am going to say a hadith. वो याद है तो बोल सकते हैं, अच्छी बात. नहीं तो thank you very much for listening to me patiently. Have a nice day. Okay, we all will repeat about the 5 times. Okay, then you can memorize it. Fine. Okay, with the complete concentration you have to repeat. जब हमें रट्टा मारते हैं बोलते हैं, तुम्हारी सोच क्या है ना, मैं ये याद करने के वास्ते repeatedly बोल रहा हूँ. Is that clear? Okay, repeat after me now. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
Practice the pronunciation also. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
My dear brothers and sisters,
My dear brothers and sisters,
how are you all doing today?
how are you today? We are fine.
Okay, that's really wonderful.
That's really wonderful.
I would like to thank
I would like to thank
Ali English House Academy
English House Academy
for giving me an opportunity
for giving me an opportunity
to develop my personality.
to develop my personality.
Today I am going to say
Today I am going to say
a quote
a quote
or a hadith
or a hadith
or an ayat from Quran.
or an ayat from Quran.
Thank you very much for listening to me patiently.
Thank you very much.
for listening to me patiently.
Thank you very much
Thank you very much
for listening to me
for listening to me
patiently.
patiently.
Jazakallah khairan.
Jazakallahu khairan.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Okay. The pronunciation of some words. Very good evening. Bolo.
Very good evening.
Very good evening.
Very good evening.
Everyone.
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 Brothers. 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 Sisters. Sisters.
Sisters.
Wonderful.
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 That's really wonderful.
That's really wonderful.
English House Academy.
English House Academy.
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 Opportunity.
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 Develop.
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 Personality.
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 Thank you so much for listening to me.
Thank you so much for listening to me.
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 Patiently.
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 Some people say patiently. That is wrong. Patiently.
Patiently.
Okay, fine. So who wants to start? Yes, come.